God dang it. Decent. This is going to be brighter than a goddamn airplane runway. Woohoo! Sheesh! Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back in the very spacious Suzuki Jimny. Going over to Gitrax once again, 4x4 off-road shop. Because, well, the back of my Jimny is total trash and it looks like crap. And it's totally not organized. And I really like to be organized. So I'm gonna get some frontrunner Wolfpack boxes probably. Gonna check out the store, and people have been telling me I should really get a LED bar on top of the Jimny. So I'm gonna buy a big ass LED bar for the front of my Jimny and some big ass LEDs for the rear. So, Gitrax 4x4 off-road store. Here we go.
De zomersproeten zijn nu van mijn hart verblikt.
I really gotta say, this 4x4 stuff is really costing me an arm and a leg. Totally worth it, but god damn it. Building a Jimny, building an awesome rig is god dang expensive. Jeez. So I really got my eyes on this one. This is with the easy side clips. Look at that. A little bit darker. So yeah, sorry again, wearing chin diapers again in our shitty country, but getting the straps to get the boxes in place, and we got so far 2 frontrunner Pro Wolfpack boxes and a shovel up to the LED bars. As far I could only find the 42 inch, and I would really like the 40 inch, because the 42 inch is like huge. It's not about the size, it's how good it works. God dang. Look at this crazy monster. X-Vision Genesis 1100. I mean, it's pricey, 700 euros, but look at that. That thing is an absolute monster. Now, I'm not really sure if I do want a monster on the Jimny, so yeah. But I also do not want one of the small ones in front. I mean, it's gotta look good, But again, it is pretty busy in the shop, so God dang it. Next up, I think I want a train horn. I do own a Jimny. I do not own a train or a big ass truck. So I'm going for the small one. I mean, so this has to be by far my favorite setup in the store. I mean, I think it's a little Daihatsu. That Daihatsu, I think it is. Now that thing is awesome. God dang it. My table. I mean, that's like a 7-person villa on top of a small Daihatsu. You could take your whole family with it. And the family of your family. And a couple of your friends' family of your family. Pretty awesome. Look at that. Sheesh. Some of these roof tents are just crazy. Like, you get a roof tent, you get a rooftop tent, like that. But then, I mean, like, what the hell? Look at how big it is. God dang it. And this is also why I'm using frontrunner, because, well, organizing, I really like to have everything organized. And at this moment, I'm totally not. So, got some of those. I already got one of those. A bush toilet. The bush is my toilet. That was some bad humor. God dang it. I'm gonna head back down. That is it. So yet again, a very friendly people at Gitrex in Belgium. Tila, we got the Wolfpack Pro by Frontrunner. We got 2 cases to get more organized. Yeah, and we got a bunch of stuff. Let's go home and let's unbox some stuff. Quickly. Next video, gotta mount it, but it's a lot of work. Anyway, let's get back home. So what did we get today? Sheesh. It's not a blue light, it's a protective layer, but that is only coming off at the very end when I install it. Probably going to be tomorrow. And what else did I get? And I can already see you guys think like, what the hell's that? It's Frontrunner, it's for an LED light. Yes, it is. So this little part comes in front of the LED. So if you put it in front like this, your LED is protected from, you know, twigs and bullets and flying babies and sorcerers, something like that, and bugs. So if you're driving on the highway or somewhere where there's a lot of bugs, you don't get any bugs on the light. And
if you turn it like that, the OSRAM LED is gonna come like in front of the frontrunner roof rack. And when it comes in front, there is a lot of light that's going to go down on your window and on front of your hood. And you do not need a lot of light on your hood. You need to have light over there and a little bit further. So that little flap I just said from frontrunner, when you close it, it's protecting your LED from bugs and dirt and flying babies. And if you put it down like that, your light is gonna shine a lot further down the road. I got a little cute one. Look at that. Look at how cute it is. This is the reversing light. So I bought 2 switches. Don't tell anybody, but I bought them in China. So those 2 switches fit perfectly inside the Jimny. And yeah, I bought them on AliExpress. They were like €4 or €5 each, free shipping. Yeah, that's pretty cheap. And they actually work, which is kind of weird, but anyway. So one switch is going to be for the big one in front. The other switch is going to be for the small one in the rear. This one is also a very, very high powered LED, pretty sketchy. And I got the 2 special harnesses with relays, specially made for the OSRAM lighting. So I got some cable work, and I got a little, stretch shorties. That's not what I was going to say, but these are stretch shorties to fit my Wolfpack Pro frontrunner boxes. These. So these are the brand new frontrunner Wolfpack boxes, and yeah, they smell funky, but yeah, this is always getting a lot of stickers from frontrunner. Nice, decent. But I was going to say that I bought a little train horn set. Now I do not want to be a douchebag. I do not want to be a douchebag and scare the crap out of people in my city or any other big city, just scaring the crap out of people. Seriously, pranks is not what I really like to do, because people have other things to do than being laughed at and being joked at. So yeah, not gonna do pranks anytime soon on this channel. Maybe I do, probably not. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna install that LED bar. Drive safe, see you guys in the next one. Peace.